Every now and again I talk about boat mods, and I just wanted to show you one of the best mods I've done. Well, not me, a buddy of mine at Weber Marine. This was his insight and addition. So basically this is my boat, and the deck came up to here, and we wanted to get a complete deck. So instead of having it fixed, we added a piano hinge down the middle here, and it's screwed in and everything. So when you lift it up, you got all the storage space. I mean, I've got life jackets, barbecue, other things down there. So it's just very, very handy. And basically we just put in the console here, so I put a rest there, put a rest on the other side. Under here, and the hinge itself, basically riveted a bunch, screwed a bunch, but it goes all the way along, so there's a whole good bit of strength there. And the door, so it's of aluminum sheet. But yeah, look at all the storage in that you've got. If this was solid, this would all get lost. So if you're thinking about doing a deck, do one that opens up, because you just get a whole lot more storage space. Look at that, and look at the deck, nice and flat, nice and smooth, ready for some salmon fishing. Catch you later.